Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on solid state. In previous lecture, we have studied the crystal lattice consists of constituent particles, and these constituent particles are closely packed in a crystal lattice. They are of different size, but they are closely packed in a crystal lattice. So what is this packing? What is how these particles are arranged in a crystal lattice? That we are going to study in this lecture. So packing is nothing but the arrangement. Packing is nothing but what? The arrangement of constituent particles, that is atom, ions or molecules, with respect to each other in a crystal lattice in all the three directions, that is in all three dimensions, and that is known as a packing. It is just like the arrangement of the fruits in fruit stall, like this. Here in this picture, oranges are arranged in a definite fashion, in a definite manner. These are arranged, and these are the rows of the oranges, one over other. These are arranged. So such a type of arrangement is there in the crystal lattice. And in order to understand this packing, these particles are considered as hard spheres of equal size, same size असतात असं आपण consider करू. So actually these are not of equal size, but we are considering here these are the hard spheres of equal size. So to understand this, we must know the important concept, that is coordination number. So coordination number means what? It is what? The number of nearest neighboring spheres touches each other in the row is known as the coordination number. So here in this picture, the hard spheres are there. Consider these are the hard spheres arranged one after another in a row, and each sphere here except the terminal spheres, these are the two terminal spheres. Except these two spheres, other spheres, if you consider the arrangement, if you observe the arrangement of these spheres, then each sphere touches the two other spheres. हे आता स्पियर जर घेतलं, if you consider this pink color sphere, then it is in directly contact with these two spheres. It touches these two spheres. So it is what? The coordination number of this particular sphere. So coordination number of this particular sphere is 2. So coordination number is the number of nearest neighboring spheres that touches any given sphere is known as coordination number. जवळची जी त्याला टच होणारी जी स्फिअर्स आहेत त्यांचा नंबर म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. सो number of nearest neighboring spheres that touches any given sphere is coordination number. Now see here in this arrangement, this particular middle sphere, it is in contact with other 4 spheres, 2 from this layer, 1 from the above layer and 1 from the layer below layer. So it is in contact with how many spheres? 4 spheres. So its coordination number is 4. Now see the another arrangement. Here the arrangement of the spheres in this picture and this picture is different. See here in this picture, if you observe, then this middle sphere is in contact with 6 spheres, other 6 spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This middle sphere to this middle sphere, 6 spheres touches. Its 4 neighboring spheres are 6. they directly touch with this sphere. याला टच करणारी किती स्पियर्स आहेत? 6 स्पियर्स आहेत. So its coordination number is 6. So if this number is more, coordination number is more or larger the coordination number, closer are the spheres to each other. If you observe or if you compare these two, then its coordination number is 4. So here packing is loose, whereas here the coordination number is 6, and therefore packing is compact, more. So if coordination number is more, compactness is more, and the particles are very close to each other. So that means what? The coordination number is a measure of compactness of sphere in a close packed structure. Coordination number काय मेजर करतो? तर कॉम्पॅक्टनेस किती आहे हे मेजर करतो. सो coordination number is a measure of compactness of spheres in the close packed structure. How these particles are closely packed, that is determined from coordination number. So now we will see the close packed structure. But to study or to understand the close packed structure in 3 dimensions, we must know the close packing in 1 dimension. That is called as a linear packing. So 1 dimensional, it is also called as a 1D packing. 1D packing means 1 dimensional close packing. Now see here, in this close packing 1 dimension, the spheres are arranged like this, one after another in a row. These are arranged and they touch each other. Then here each sphere is in contact with other 2 spheres. Exceptional case is terminal sphere, but the middle sphere, if you consider the middle sphere, then each sphere is in contact with other 2 spheres. Therefore coordination number is 2, and such a type of a packing is called as what? The 1 dimension or linear packing. So a close packed 1 dimensional structure is obtained by arranging the spheres to touch each other in a row, or the spheres are arranged in a row touching each other. And in such a cases or in such a type of arrangement, coordination number of the sphere, any sphere, is 2 except terminal sphere. So coordination number in 1D packing is 2. 1D close packing or 1 dimensional close packing, the coordination number is 2. Question can be asked on this coordination number. So how many numbers of particles, or what is the coordination number of any particle in 1 dimensional close packing? So coordination number of any particle in 1 dimensional close packing is 2. Now see here the second stage in 3 dimensional close packing, that is close packing in 2 dimensions. So how the layers or rows are there, arrangement is there in 2 dimensional close packing. So in 2 dimensional close packing, the 1 dimensional rows are arranged over one another and in such a way that they are in contact with each other, and they form a multiple layer arrangement. So close packed 2-dimensional structure is obtained by placing 1-dimensional rows over one another in such a way that they are in contact with each other to form a multiple layer arrangement. And there are 2 ways to obtain close packing in 2 dimensions. One is square close packing and another one is hexagonal close packing. So let us see first the square close packing. In square close packing, what happens? One-dimensional rows of close packed spheres, they are arranged or stacked over each other in such a way that the spheres align vertically as well as horizontally, like this. The alignment of the spheres is, these are aligned vertically as well as horizontally. And one dimensional, you just now studied about one dimensional close packing. So here one dimensional close packings, that is rows, are arranged one above other. They are stacked over each other, and in this stacking each sphere touches the other sphere. That is, here the sphere of the first row touches the sphere of the second row, and they align vertically as well as horizontally. So one dimensional row of close packed spheres are stacked over each other such a way that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. And here if you observe the arrangement, then the same type of arrangement is there. Suppose this first layer is labeled as a A. The second layer, in second layer also same type of arrangement is there. Third layer also same type of arrangement is there. And fourth layer, in fourth layer also the same type of arrangement is there. So same type of arrangement of sphere is observed, and therefore this type of close packing is also called as a AA type of two-dimensional arrangement, because all these layers are identical. They are arranged over one another and aligned vertically as well as horizontally. And if you observe any middle sphere, then it touches the four spheres, two from its layer 1 and 2, and one from the third sphere from above layer, and the fourth sphere from lower below layer. Now suppose this is the third layer, sphere from third layer, then it touches the two spheres from the third layer, one sphere from the fourth layer and one sphere from the second layer. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So its coordination number is 4. And if you join the centers of these four spheres, to measure its centers join केली, you will get what? A square like structure. And therefore this type of close packing in two dimension is known as square close packing. This type of close packing is known as square close packing in two dimension. And in square close packing in two dimension, the coordination number is how much? 4. And AA type of arrangement is there, and the spheres are aligned vertically as well as horizontally. And the space occupied in this sphere arrangement is 52%, 52.36%. That is called as a packing efficiency. And therefore the empty space is 47.64%. This is the empty space. This one is also called as a void or empty space. So empty space is more in case of what? The square close packing. And the coordination number is how much? 4. Then the second way of close packing, that is hexagonal close packing. So hexagonal close packing means the one-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked in such a way that spheres in second row are placed in depression between the spheres of first. Now see how these are. Now here this is the first row, this is the second row, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer. So these are the 6 rows of the hard sphere. Now see here, In between these two spheres of the first row, depression is there. Here in these two spheres, depression is there. In these two spheres, depression is there. In hexagonal close packing, the one-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked over one another. They are arranged over one another. And in such a way that the spheres in second row, these are placed in depression of the first row. This is the depression of the first row. And in that depression, the sphere of second layer is row is placed. Here also the same. Here also the same arrangement is there. Now see here, this is the second layer. Then this one is the depression of second layer. And the spheres of the third row are placed in a depression of the second row. Like this. Here, this is the depression between the two spheres of the second row. And the sphere of the third row is placed in the depression of the second row. Then see here, this is the depression of this third layer. This one is the depression of the third layer. This one is the depression of the third layer. And the sphere of the fourth layer is placed in depression of the third layer. Like this, the arrangement is repeated in hexagonal close packing. And suppose if you label this, or if you name this layer as a, as a first layer or first row is A, then this second arrangement of the spheres in second layer is different one. And therefore, that means these are not identical, these are not same spheres. So suppose this is the sphere A, then this is the sphere B, and this is the sphere third, fourth, like this. So if you see the arrangement in the first layer and third layer, the arrangement of the sphere is same, and arrangement of the second layer and fourth layer is same. So these are not identical, and the spheres of first layer, third layer and fifth layer are aligned, whereas spheres of the second layer, fourth layer and sixth layer are aligned. So here this type of arrangement is therefore called as AB type of two-dimensional arrangement, like this, A, B, A, B. So like this, the spheres or rows are, one-dimensional rows are arranged. That is, one-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked in such a way that the sphere in the second row are placed in depression of the first. Again, the third row is in depression of, the spheres of third row are placed in depression of second row. Like that, the arrangement is repeated. And if you observe any middle sphere, then it is in contact with 6 other spheres, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if you join these centers of all these 6 pairs, then we get what? Hexagon. And therefore this type of close packing is known as hexagonal close पॅकिंग. तुम्हाला काय मिळतं तर हेक्सागॉन मिळतो बघा. प्रत्येक स्फिअरचं जर सेंटर आपण जोडलं, इफ यू जॉईन द centers of each sphere, then we get what? Hexagon, and therefore it is called as a hexagonal close packing. And the coordination number in hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension is 6. So this is most important, and the packing efficiency is 60%. Packing, if you consider the packing efficiency of hexagonal close packing and square close packing, then packing efficiency in case of hexagonal close packing is more because compactness is more. Empty space is less. See here. That is, if you compare this arrangement. Here this is the arrangement in hexagonal close packing and this is the arrangement in square close packing. Here in square close packing the empty space is more. Voids, these empty spaces are called as a voids. So here voids are more and here the voids are less. Close packing is there. Compact packing is there. So packing efficiency of hexagonal close packing is more than the square close packing. So in case of this square close packing, square type of voids are there. Voids जो shape आहे तो कसा असतो square सारखा असतो. Therefore these are called as square voids. Whereas in case of the hexagonal close packing, the voids are triangular voids. Triangular shape आहे बघा. So these voids are triangular and these triangular voids are of two types. One is what? The triangular void with apex upward. याचा apex जे आहे ते वर आहे बघा. So triangular void with apex upward and second type of triangular void, that is triangular void with apex downward. So ह्याचं बघा apex खाली आहे. So alternate arrangement is there. The apex is downward. In first row it is downward, but here the apex is upward. So alternate arrangement of triangular voids with upward apex and downward apex is observed in case of what? The hexagonal close packing, and these empty spaces are called as a void. So triangular voids are observed in hexagonal close packing, and in square close packing square voids are there. Empty space is more, so compactness is less in case of square close packing as compared to hexagonal close packing. So what we have studied here in this lecture, what is meant by coordination number. So coordination number means the number of nearest neighboring spheres which touches each other in a row. Then one-dimensional arrangement, we have studied close packing in one dimension, and in one dimension the coordination number is 2 because each sphere touches the other two spheres. Exceptional case is terminal sphere in one dimension. In two dimensions close packing, two possibilities are there: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. In square close packing, one-dimensional rows are arranged one above other, and here what happens? The spheres of all the layers are vertically aligned and horizontally also aligned, and the same type of arrangement is there. AA type of arrangement is observed in square close packing, whereas in hexagonal close packing the sphere of second layer is placed in a depression of first layer, and spheres of third layer are placed in a depression of second layer. So this arrangement is repeated in a hexagonal close packing, and therefore here the compactness is more, and in case of hexagonal close packing coordination number is 6. In case of square close packing coordination number is 4. Then in case of square close packing square voids are there. The shape of the void or empty space is square shape. So here the square voids are observed, and in hexagonal close packing triangular voids are there, and these triangular voids are of two types: triangular voids with upward apex and triangular voids with the downward apex, and these apex with downward and upward are alternately arranged in a hexagonal close packing. So this is about what? The close packing in one dimension and close packing in 2 dimension. Close packing in 3 dimension we will study next time. Thank you for watching the video.